Namaste, my name is Hina Dhabhai and welcome to my channel Pi Pronounce India. Well, in my today's video, we are going to share some knowledge about the occasion Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi. Well, stay tuned till the end of the video because in that video I am going to share my knowledge about that occasion Raksha Bandhan, that how Indians celebrate this occasion and what's the reason or the story behind that occasion. Raksha Bandhan is the occasion of a bond between brother and sister. Well, Raksha Bandhan, that word is derived from the Sanskrit language. It means a note of a protection or security. On that day, sisters used to be tie one thread on their brother's hand. In return, brothers promises to save their sister's life and their sister's respect till the end of their life. So it is an occasion of protection, security and full of respect. This occasion is mainly celebrated in between brothers and sisters. In foreign, well, as you all have Father's Day, Mother's Day and many other occasions, in India we have Raksha Bandhan, which is the occasion for brothers and sisters. This occasion is majorly celebrated by Hindus of India. But in other places, Jainis and Sikh, they also celebrate that occasion. The purpose is same in all of the communities of India of protection and security, and still that occasion celebrated between brother and sister in all religions and all communities. We Indians celebrate that occasion on the month of Shravan. That month basically falls in between August always. So basically Raksha Bandhan is the occasion which we usually celebrate in the month of August and according to the Hindu calendar in the month of Shravan. Because on that day, on specific Raksha Bandhan day, you will find full moon. On this year 2017, this occasion will be celebrated on 7th of August, which is Monday. So if you want to celebrate that occasion with your brothers or sister, just message them, mail them or even send them a Rakhi to show them respect and the feeling of the Raksha Bandhan occasion. It is on 7th August. The first and very important part is shopping. Well, many days before of Raksha Bandhan, we used to go to the market and purchase some sweets and the Rakhis. Well, I know you all wonder what that term Rakhi is. Well, Rakhi is kind of thread which is decorated with pearls and other stones which we used to tie on our brother's hand. Well, shopping is my favorite part. I used to go to the market and bring some very amazing kinds of Rakhi. But still, if you are artistic enough and creative enough, then you can create your own Rakhi at your home. If you want to know how to create Rakhi at home, then please comment below. I will definitely make a video about it, that how you can create a Rakhi at home. Because creating Rakhi at home will give that occasion some personal touch and some personal emotions. Well, I personally prefer to create Rakhi at home. So must comment below if you want to know that how to create Rakhi at home. Well, I am putting some of the images of Rakhi so it will make it clear what does that term means. Well, the next important thing is celebrating Rakhi. Well, that occasion starts from morning. Basically, we follow some Muhurat. Some Muhurat is kind of timetable in which duration we can tie a knot on our brother's hand. But in morning, we prepare some sweets and some tasty kind of food. After that, we prepare ourselves. We wear sari, lehenga, suit, any other kind of Indian ethnic dresses which we want to wear. Well, I personally prefer suit because it is comfortable and it gives you ethnic touch. After preparing ourselves or decorating ourselves, we decorate our thalis. We have one small plate in which we put different kind of essential items which will help us to celebrate the occasion of Rakhi. The first thing is you have to put some kumkum or red powder. This red powder we use to do a tilak process on our brother's forehead. The next thing is rice. we put some rice on the brother's forehead. The next thing is some sweets, so that after tying a knot of thread, we serve him or we feed him some special kind of sweets which we have made previously. The next and most important essential item is Rakhi itself, because it is an occasion of Raksha Bandhan where we have to tie a Rakhi on brother's hand. So Rakhi is an essential part which we put on our thali or a plate. In the process of celebrating Rakhi, first we put tilak on the brother's forehead, then we apply rice on the tilak, then after that we tie a knot of Rakhi. After that we said some prayers for our brother's happiness and prosperous. We wish him all of the healthiness and happiness. After that, here is the most interesting part, which is the gifts and money. Well, Rakhi is not an occasion for money, but still it is an essential part. Brothers used to give us protection, obviously, because it is a note of protection, but after that they give us lots of money and so many kind of desired gift. Well, if you don't know what to gift your sister, then I am putting images of some gift ideas. Well, what if you don't have brother? Like I don't have any brother, I have only one sister. Well, in that case, we also celebrate Rakhi each year, but we usually tie a knot of Rakhi on our father's hand. And in return, my papa gives me a lots of gifts and lots of money. Well, still, if you don't have any brother, then you can tie a knot to your sister's hand or your father's hand. It is also considered as a Rakhi occasion. Well, if you are going to celebrate Rakhi this year, even if you are a foreigner or Indian, it doesn't matter literally. If you want to tie a knot on someone's hand to show their respect to them, and you feel that they give you that kind of protection like brother gives to their sister, then must celebrate Rakhi this year. I am giving you suggestion. Rakhi is a best celebration other than Friendship Day to show your respect and to take some protection. If your brother do not live in the same city, or if is it not possible to travel to them to note a Rakhi on his hand, then you can mail it also or post it also, because every time it is not possible to go to the destination and tie a note. So definitely you can post it. It is also considered in Rakhi's occasion. The next important question is, why Indians celebrate Rakhi? Well, there are so many stories in India because of which Rakhi is being celebrated. If there is a war story, there is a spiritual story, or other than a story of protection and security. The most famous one story is of Mahabharata, where Draupadi used to tie a knot on a Krishna's hand. Well, Krishna is a god who saved Draupadi's life. While so many people were disrespecting her, her brother Krishna saved her life and gave her so much protection because he was her brother, and he has promised a note of protection that he will secure his life till the end. So basically there are so many stories in India because of which we celebrate Rakhi occasion. If you want to know any of the story, then comment below. I will definitely create a new video about that story, where Indian stories are so many and still they are so much hidden, mysterious and special kind of stories. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then here is one red button. You just have to click on it. It's completely free. But nearby it there is one bell icon. Don't forget to click on that. It will be helpful for me to reach to you. Well, happy Rakhi to all of you from my side. It is the occasion Raksha Bandhan, which is on 7th of August. Well, must celebrate that occasion because it is an occasion of protection, security, respect, happiness and wealthiness. Here sister prayers for his brother and brothers give protection to their sister. Well, India is a big country, and each part of India country you will find so many occasions and so many rituals. Rakhi is just one of them. So if you are interested, I will create more videos about India, India's culture and India's language, because Hindi is our common language and India is our culture. Thank you. Bye.